look, it's the person from the pizza place. Isn't that a girl? No one knows. Why is she out in the open? That's how she was at the pizza place. Must be how she rolls.
Only a few minutes before break is done. She's gonna kill that scientist. We have to do something.
Well, maybe let's wait before we do anything. We might regret it.
I'm sorry, Leonardo, but I think not doing anything will be the only thing we'll all regret.
Wait! He's gonna die.
So, what should we do?
We have no choice but to follow them. So how are we gonna get inside?
I think I know a way in.
When did you get here?
I'll explain later. Wanna know or what? Yes, please.
Next to cotton candy hair, over there is a vent.
That vent gets you behind that lady with the cloak. But only someone that's low-key kind of small can fit in. I'll try getting in. Besides, I look like I can fit in that vent. So, y'all want to chat about some stuff? Like, why are you all here?
What's going on here?
So what are your favorite ice cream flavors? Or are you all lactose intolerant? Or do you not like ice cream? That's a silly question. Who wouldn't like ice cream? I got her. Nice. You didn't take as long as I thought you would. Let's go home now. You coming? You've got room for one more? Definitely. Okay, I'll come. Hello everyone. If you were wondering who the second voice was, that is my cousin. Go subscribe to her. She has her own channel. Also the portal noises are from that one person. Also subscribe to that person if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.